Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your video in Canva, as well as how to create appear and disappear animations and effects. To do that, for example, here's the video, and this is the text. To add text, go to the text option here and add your text, maybe welcome or welcome to my blog. So I have added the text and I want to make it so it appears. I will select it and go to Text Color. The gap between the text is white, so I will decrease it. Go to the text and adjust spacing like this. Now I want to animate it as well. To animate it, just click on it, and here is the Animate option, and maybe choose this one. This one looks good. Just add it. Now let's see. For example, here we don't see any text, but now you can see it. If you want it to disappear, then at 4 seconds, just set the time where you want it to appear and disappear. So, for example, I will just have it appear in 3.5 seconds. So it will appear at 3.5 seconds, and it will disappear at 3.5 seconds. Yeah, at 4.2 seconds. It will appear at 0.8 seconds and disappear at 4.2 seconds. In a similar way, you just need to add as needed. And if you want to add another cinematic, for example, just add from the option here and upload another video. Maybe this one. I'll just drag it and I will add it. If it's too long, I'll make it shorter, even shorter. So this is another cinematic. Now I want to add another text here, like this, with this effect as well. It will disappear, and I will simply copy this text using Ctrl-C, or you can also copy it from here. And at 6 seconds, I want to paste it here. Or you can just press Ctrl-V and it will paste here. And just maybe, yeah, this way you can just adjust it here. You can simply adjust the timing of your text appearing and disappearing. In this way, you can edit your video simply with the basic tools in Canva. So that was a simple and easy tutorial for you on how to add text to your video and adjust the timing of appearing and disappearing. So yeah, that was a simple tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.